Good morning, guys. It's 5:30 in the morning. Our riders are gearing up for Komati Cheruvu bike ride.
Till to end, we need to maintain the same position. Okay? And this is the slow signal. When I am showing the first signal, up from 10 to my last, I need to maintain this. And any potholes, I will show this or I will
Use it
show
like
my leg. Okay? This is the slow. This is the, we can start.
speed up.
Speeding. This is the stop. This is the 2 line. You can maintain two bikes.
Mostly we may not require two, so we'll be going in a single file.
If not, we need to maintain one single line. Okay? Don't need to overtake anyone.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me.
We have covered around 40 kilometers and now we start for breakfast. Let's see what's in the menu.
Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah, This is a statement to appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement. Yeah, there's no replacement for persistence. It's a patience. Yeah, in this life, I wanna be soaring to feel sun inside when it's pouring. And I'll fight till
Finally, we have reached our destination. It looks really beautiful from outside. Let's go inside and explore the park.
just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah,
देख लो भाई इधर
नहीं भाई
We have started the fast boat.
ఇప్పుడు మీరు చూసినట్టయితే మేము వీడియోని స్టార్ట్ చేసినాం. స్పీడ్ బోట్ ప్రెసెంట్ స్లోలో ఉంది. స్పీడ్ ఫస్ట్ గేర్ చేసినాము, గుంస్తున్నాం స్పీడ్ బ్రేకర్ వచ్చి మజా వస్తుంది. గుర్తున్నాయి చూసి ఎంత స్పీడ్ పోతున్నాం అంటే అంత స్పీడ్ పోతున్నాం.
జాగ్రత్త, ఫోన్ కింద పడిపోగలదు.
అరే ఫోన్ అవు అరే ఏం భయమో ఇంటికి వచ్చేసినాం.
ఓకే